Welcome back to Spy Garage.
In the world of expedition-style recreational vehicles, the 2025 Prevost Loki Motorcoach is the pinnacle of custom luxury and sturdy capabilities. The Loki, which is based on the powerful Prevost chassis, defies conventional ideas of motorhome design by combining luxurious residential living with the steadfast durability needed to navigate difficult terrains. This car has been painstakingly designed for discriminating people who want complete comfort and independence in the most difficult and isolated settings. The 2025 Prevost Loki Motorcoach's exterior is distinguished by its bold and determined design. By foregoing ostentatious fashion, the Loki conveys a sense of subtle strength and fortitude. Its sturdy design, which frequently includes protective coatings and strengthened body parts, speaks to its intended use. Practical features like robust off-road tires, sophisticated lighting systems for improved visibility in challenging conditions, and thoughtfully positioned recovery spots are all incorporated into the design. The addition of sizable storage spaces that can hold a variety of equipment and supplies emphasizes how expedition-ready it is. Additionally, the vehicle's impressive construction smoothly integrates deployable utility systems and well-planned entry locations. The interior of the 2025 Prevost Loki Motorcoach is a haven of upscale comfort and cutting-edge technology that goes beyond typical RV interiors. The living areas are painstakingly designed using high-quality, long-lasting materials chosen for their visual appeal and resilience to the demands of prolonged travel. Functionality and flow are given first priority in custom-designed layouts, which frequently include features like gourmet kitchens with top-notch appliances, spa-like bathrooms with luxurious fixtures, and flexible living and sleeping areas that can be arranged to meet different demands. Superior insulation and cutting-edge climate control systems guarantee a comfortable interior atmosphere regardless of the outside weather. The Loki Motorcoach prioritizes convenience and independence through its technological integration. Modern communication technologies, such as satellite internet and strong cell phone connectivity, guarantee that residents stay in touch even while they are in far-off places. Energy independence is provided by comprehensive power management systems, which frequently include large battery banks, solar arrays, and high-capacity generators. Real-time data and control over the vehicle's vital operations are provided by sophisticated navigation and vehicle management systems. Additionally, advanced security technologies are effortlessly incorporated to offer comfort in any setting. The 2025 Prevost Loki Motorcoach holds a special place in the market for leisure vehicles. It serves a specialized market that demands superior off-grid capabilities, unwavering quality, and the capacity to go on long trips without surrendering the conveniences of a luxurious home. Because of the custom engineering, high-end materials, and cutting-edge technology used in its design and production, this car is a major investment. Having a Loki Motorcoach is a sign of admiration for unmatched craftsmanship and independent living in addition to a dedication to adventure. It is a mobile retreat designed to traverse the most difficult terrain while offering a haven of upscale comfort inside its sturdy embrace.